Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the essentials. Update WhatsApp and grant microphone and storage permissions. Once done, force close the app and reboot the phone so cached permission states reset. If you use an external mic or Bluetooth headset, disconnect it now to isolate the phone's mic. Make sure airplane mode is off and you have a stable network. Poor connectivity can interrupt voice message uploads. These first steps remove common permission and connectivity blockers quickly. You should now record a short voice note to confirm the microphone works within WhatsApp. If the recording fails or is muted, clear the app cache in settings or uninstall and reinstall the app to reset corrupted files. Next, verify local storage. Free at least 100 MB and ensure WhatsApp can write to internal storage or the SD card. Once that's resolved, retry recording. If it succeeds, the problem was app data or storage permissions causing failures. To finalize, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out upload issues. WhatsApp uploads can fail on captive or restricted networks. If problems persist, update your phone OS and any Bluetooth drivers and temporarily disable call recording or audio routing apps that intercept the mic. Once done, test on WhatsApp web. If voice notes play there, the issue is device side. Troubleshooting tip. If nothing works, backup chats, reinstall WhatsApp, and restore the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.